Hello everyone. I hope this video finds you well and taking good care of yourselves. Recently, I've been sending out a lot of information about my online courses through Ashland University, but it's kind of occurred to me that many of you have never taken an online course, and maybe you would like to learn a little bit more about the platform and what exactly you are responsible for. So I've had a few emails too recently as well from students who don't know what this is about and know what to expect, because not everybody is good with technology. So I thought I would put this little video together to show you exactly what it's like to take an online course. And I've been building these since like 2007. So I've worked with several platforms and I find it quite fun. So this video is going to be about how do you find and register for a class? How do you access that class? I'm going to show you a little bit about the platform. Ashland University uses Blackboard, so that's what we're going to look at. And then the last thing is uploading assignments. And basically, that's really the only techie thing you have to do when you take a course through Blackboard, for me anyway. So, all right. So there's two ways that you can register through Ashland University. And this is how to access the registration page through two different ways. First is Mind Legacy. This one is my site. So let's go to this one first. So as soon as you get here, what you'll find is you'll see the AU on-site workshops, and when you hover over it, you'll also find this navigation tool that'll pop up, and these are all my online courses. So you click over here, and you will see a list of them. Currently, I have 3 courses. The first one is Thinking, Feeling, and Doing, Teaching Emotion Regulation Skills to Students. And you'll notice here that you've got the course description here, and then you've got the registration button, which we'll do in a minute. But then you also have the course syllabus here. So that's very nice. And it will help you if you need it for your ippy-dippy, if you just want to know what's all involved in taking the course. You can just simply click on this, you can download the syllabus, and voila, there you go. So the second course I have is Success Strategies with ADHD Students. This is a really nice course that I built 3 years ago, I guess. I've had it up now. Students are really liking it. It's based on a handout. A lot of it is based on the handout, 37 plus strategies, easy intervention strategies for the ADHD child. It's a real, very thick little handout. It's very robust, very rich with resources. So these 2 courses are 1 semester hours. And then the last one here is the Street Drugs, Chemicals That Destroy Minds and Lives. And I just updated this one about 2 years ago, and I added a lot of information on marijuana. And again, here's your syllabus, and we'll use this one to see where it takes us. When you register, or when you click that button to register, this is your Ashland University page. So you'll register through this course. Now, before we go to do that, I'll show you the last page on this. I want you to take note of this. This has nothing to do with you. According to AU, they just have to put this on. It's part of the template. But this really is for fiscal reasons only. This course, as are all of my courses, they are courses that are do at your own pace. They are available all the time. You have to simply register. AU will send you your credentials, and you will be in anytime. Okay, so this has always been a question for people. So I just want to make that clear. Now, the last part would be to register for this course, and it will take you to, which, this is not unlike any of the other courses you register for online. There you go. Boom. All right. Let's see. So now the other way you can register is you can go through the ashland.edu Founders Professional Developments URL. So let's do that. If you choose this way, you just simply scroll down. Oh, this is a way to get your transcripts here too. In mine, it's going to be behavior management, because that's what I specialize in. And this is a center that I normally teach at. So we're going to go to Columbus, Ohio. Oh, I'm sorry. That's face-to-face. We want to go search online. Here's search online courses. And again, you go behavior management. And then we're going to go AU Columbus Center and click search. And as you can see, street drugs, success skills, teaching emotional regulation, all Janice Morabeto. And then there's some other ones too. There's some other instructors who are doing some good work. If they work for AU, they do good work. So, all right, so that is the one going directly to the AU founders. So there's easy ways to do it. But if you go to Mind Legacy, you get a syllabus, if you need one. Now, accessing the class, that's also very easy. When you sign up, they send you credentials. You probably already have credentials because you've taken an on-site course before. But then once you get your registration receipt, you will go to ashland.blackboard.com. You'll enter your username and password, which are your credentials, and you'll be in. So let's do that, and I'll show you the course. I will show you a course, what it looks like in Blackboard. All right. Go here. I'm going to go to the courses page. Because I have 3, they're all going to be listed. So if you have 3, yours will be listed as well. With mine, once you're in, you go to the left hand over here, click on content. All right, and I'm going to go right into the course essentials, where you will find your syllabus. Now, I like to suggest that students print this out because it'll help you to stay, on track. At least you can use it as a checklist if you'd like. If not, you can just keep it in a Word doc or, and follow it that way. All right, but let's go into trends. This first module, as you can see, it asks you to make an introduction, and this is just on a post. Just say hello and what position you hold and how do you hope to use this information, and whether or not you've taken an online class before, just for some engagement. And then the next lesson, if you click on it, see, it'll tell you what it is. Okay, we're not going to read that. But then we're going to go back, use your back button, and then you're going to get this link. So this lesson asks you to read this, to kind of peruse this link. And this link is the National Institute for Drug Abuse. Oh, outstanding website. Outstanding. There's so much information here. But this particular lesson asks you to listen to this, or this should be a video. It's a video, and then to report on what you learned. This is a survey that the National Institute of Drug Abuse does, NIDA, does every year. And then they report, and it's basically they ask students about their drug use, and these kids have volunteered to do that. And been going on since the 70s. So it's a really nice way to find out what kids are using. All right, so we can intervene and get them off the drugs. All right, so then you go back to your content. Yeah, and then there's a reaction paper, 100 words. All right. All right, now the last one and then there's all kinds of lessons here. The last one I want to show you is this is what we've already looked at, is a way to upload your assignments. Now, as you saw probably on that last lesson, you were asked to do a reflection paper. Well, once you save it, you just need to upload it. Inside of the lessons, I give you what's called a Dropbox. And this is what you'll get when you click on it. It's, you can either write your text submission in this piece right here. We'll get a little laser pointer. So you can either write your if you click on this, then it gives you just an open space where you can just type in your response, or you can do it on a Word doc or a Google Doc, and then save it, browse your computer, and upload it. Click submit, and you are finished. Then you can email me, tell me that you have completed the assignment, and I'll grade it and give you feedback, and you can go on. But you don't have to receive a response from me before you move on. So really, it is that simple. There's not anything complicated to this. It's pretty easy peasy. So I want to thank you for watching. And you can reach me anytime at morabeto@aol.com.